So you guys got any thoughts about the track out there, Taylor?
Oh, it's sick, but it's a little dry, but we're just always gonna rip it up. You know how we do it.
Full send, baby. Full send.
What kind of advice you got for your buddy here?
Have fun, be safe. Just get out there and full send it.
Try to keep you. I'm kidding. Always gonna have fun.
By some of the coolest people around. Go give them a check out on Instagram, Facebook, Original Privateer.
Right on, dude. You kicked ass today.
Thanks, brother. Awesome.
Who do you got here, dude?
I got my big brother Taylor. I got my good friend Nibbler. Got a fucking badass family around us.
Right on. What about you, Taylor? You've been out there rocking pretty hard.
Oh yeah, having fun, hanging out with all the buddies. Nothing better. Got the family here.
Exactly.